Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about x equals to u squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have to u du. Because I want to cancel about the square root, that's why we need to use about u square in here. So we put this one go in here and here. The s we change by this one. So this one we have u, this one we have u. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about t equals to u minus 2 because we still have u. So I will put negative number 2 go to the left. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of t, you got about number 1. Similar for you got about number 1. First derivative of number 2, this is about the constant. So you got about 0 in here. So this one we change by t. U we change by t plus 2. Du we change by dt. So this one we have number 4. Number 2 I will put in here. So t plus 4 multiplied by t plus 2, we will have about t squared plus 2t plus 4t plus a over t. So this one you got about 60. So t squared divided by t divided by t, a divided by t. So we have t plus 6 plus a over t. And now we have the final answer. The integration of t, we have t squared over 2. The integration of number 6, we have 6t. The integration of this one, we have a, l, and of the absolute value of t. And then we put about c in here. About t, that is about u minus 2. About u, that is about this one. So we need to put the square root for the both sides. And then we need to change u into the square root of s. So we put this one to change for u. Next, number 2 multiplied by this one, and this one. So we have the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.